What is a fast lane? A fast lane is a swim jet. It's probably one of the best swim jets that I've seen, and the fact that it can put out a very powerful current, as you're seeing through the middle of the pool right now. And the nice thing about this swim jet is this little controller right here. This little controller allows you to set the speed that you're swimming against. So what it allows people to do is choose their workout and what's going to be best for them. Now, what we did here was rather unique in the fact that we recessed the swim jet beneath the coping. So the wall of the pool juts back, but that's one piece of stone that covers the whole area. You can kind of see that's recessed back in beneath, but we wanted something that was going to be clean in appearance and not sticking out. Also allows us play basketball right next to it without someone banging into it as they go up for that rebound. So, swim jet, excellent piece of equipment if we're going to be using the pool for exercise purposes.